front of the entrance to the cave, Tao and Capucine find all their friends. The yellow dragon is there too.
Thank you very much, children, for helping me locate my egg. It can't be too far away, but we must hurry.
Together, they follow the yellow dragon and are amazed by the shapes and colors of the stalactites and stalagmites. They are truly in a labyrinth.
Do you hear that? Sound like water,
exclaims Capucine.
There!
Interjects Tao, discovering some small boats in the water.
Let's go on board!
Our sailors are navigating the cave when they spot a dragon etched in the stone. It's a fancy-looking dragon with a multicolored eye. Tao and Capucine approach the design and touch their fingers to the dragon's eye. Upon their touch, the magic cookbook flies through the air, through a mist thick with the colors of the rainbow. As the mist dissipates, a novel object appears.
The dragon eggs!
Exclaim the children in unison.
A big thank you to you, Tao and Capucine, and to your friends as well. It is because of your friendship, your help, and your love of both mysteries and pastries that we were able to find my egg.
At this exact moment, the shell of the egg begins to crack, and an adorable, multicolored baby dragon emerges. Now, he wears all the colors of the rainbow. The yellow dragon has found its baby, and the world will never again be grey. You just listened to the last episode of The Mystery of the Yellow Dragon. I hope you love this adventure in China with Tao and Capucine. In the meantime, I invite you to discover the videos of the recipes. If you enjoy the story, do not hesitate to like the video, to talk about it around you, and to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media, and if you want to get your book, go to amoureusedunetarte au citron.com. See you!